The universe is vast, really vast. When we look up at the night sky, we are seeing just a tiny fraction of the billions and billions of stars out there. And around many of those stars there are planets, lots of planets. Some are giant balls of gas, but some are rocky worlds like ours. We call these exoplanets. Scientists now believe that many of these exoplanets could have the right conditions for life. Liquid water, a source of energy, and the right chemical ingredients. These are the things life needs to get started. And if life could begin here on Earth, why not on other worlds too? The sheer scale of the universe makes it seem almost impossible that we are alone. With so many stars, so many planets, the odds are good that somewhere out there life exists. It might be simple, like bacteria, or it could be complex, intelligent life, looking up at their own night sky, just like us, wondering if they are alone. The thought of alien life is both exciting and a little bit scary, but one thing is for sure, it's a question that continues to fascinate us. The universe holds many secrets, and the existence of extraterrestrial life may be one of the most profound. For centuries, the question of alien life was left to philosophers and science fiction writers, but now science is starting to weigh in. And the evidence, while not conclusive, is certainly intriguing. We now know that the building blocks of life, like water and organic molecules, are surprisingly common in space. They've been found on comets, asteroids, and even in the vast clouds of gas and dust between the stars. This suggests that the ingredients for life are readily available throughout the universe. Then there's the sheer number of exoplanets. The Kepler Space Telescope, launched in 2009, discovered thousands of these distant worlds, and it showed us that planets are the rule, not the exception, in our galaxy. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, is another avenue scientists are exploring. Using powerful radio telescopes, they listen for any signals that might be coming from distant civilizations. So far, no luck, but the search continues. While we haven't found definitive proof of alien life yet, the evidence suggests that it's out there. The universe is too big, too full of possibilities for us to be alone. If there is life out there, what might it look like? Would it be similar to life on Earth or something completely different? The truth is, we just don't know, but we can make some educated guesses. Life on Earth has evolved to fit the specific conditions of our planet. Our atmosphere, our gravity, the presence of liquid water, all of these factors have shaped the creatures we see around us. On other planets with different conditions, life could take on very different forms. Imagine creatures that breathe methane instead of oxygen, or thrive in temperatures that would boil our blood. The possibilities are endless. Some scientists believe that alien life, if it exists, is most likely to be microbial. Simple single-celled organisms are incredibly adaptable and can survive in extreme environments. It's possible that microbial life is widespread throughout the universe, but what about intelligent life? That's a much harder question. Intelligence, as we define it, is a complex trait that evolved relatively late on Earth. There's no guarantee that it would evolve elsewhere, but if it did, it could take on forms we can barely imagine. The idea of life on other planets is not new. For centuries, humans have looked up at the stars and wondered if we're alone. Ancient myths and stories are filled with tales of gods and monsters from the heavens. In the 1600s, the invention of the telescope gave us our first glimpse of the vastness of the universe, and with it came the realization that our planet might not be unique. Scholars and scientists began to seriously consider the possibility of extraterrestrial life. In the 20th century, science fiction took up the mantle, capturing the public's imagination with stories of alien encounters. From H.G. Wells' War of the Worlds to Spielberg's E.T., aliens became a staple of popular culture. But it wasn't just fiction. Real-life events like the Roswell incident in 1947 fueled public fascination with UFOs and the possibility of alien visitation. While most of these sightings have been explained as natural phenomena or human-made objects, the mystery persists. The search for alien life is a journey that has captivated humanity for centuries. From ancient myths to modern science, it's a question that continues to inspire wonder and intrigue.